here we have Jacqueline Fernandez, who's been accused by the Enforcement Directorate in its supplementary charge sheet in the fraud case related to conman Sukesh Chandrashekar. Now today, Jacqueline's lawyer has claimed that the actor is a victim of conspiracy. The statement came a day after a charge sheet against the actor in the money laundering case. Let me go immediately across to Priyanshi for more details on that. Priyanshi.
Well, Maha, this is the first statement that's come out from Jacqueline Fernandez after she was named in this charge sheet by the Enforcement Directorate in the money laundering case linked to conman Sukesh. Now, the statement reads that we have received information about the complaint being filed by the Enforcement Directorate only through media reports. So they're saying that they were not directly told about this case and about Jacqueline Fernandez being linked and charge sheeted in this case directly, but they only got to know via media reports. The statement also goes on to say that there's no official communication from the Enforcement Directorate or the Honourable Court. My client has not received any copy of the complaint filed by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, earlier as well, Jacqueline Fernandez and her team was claiming that she did not know that the gifts she was receiving from Mr. Sukesh the money for those gifts came from illegal means. But later the Enforcement Directorate claimed, while charge sheeting her in this case, that she knew that the money was coming from illegal means and she still took those gifts. Now, but this is the statement, and in this statement, Jacqueline Fernandez's team seems to claim that they had no information of this case being registered. They also say that if the media reports are true, then it's unfortunate that my client has been accused in the said case. She has always cooperated with the investigation agencies and attended all the summons issued till date. The statement also reads that she has handed over all the information to the best of her ability to the Enforcement Directorate. The agencies have failed to appreciate that she was cheated and conned into this matter. She is a victim of a larger criminal conspiracy. That's what this statement by Jacqueline Fernandez's lawyer is claiming. They also say that taking the entire prosecution case to be true for the sake of arguments, even then, no case is made out against Jacqueline under the Scheme of Prevention of Money Laundering Act or any other law in force. The statement says this is a case of malified prosecution and my client shall take steps as required under law to protect her dignity and liberty. That's what Advocate Prashant Patil for Jacqueline Fernandez has claimed. So we can see her team claiming that she has no information of this case at all. She did not know she was charge sheeted, and they're also denying all allegations against her, saying that this is a conspiracy, a larger conspiracy against Jacqueline Fernandez, and she has nothing to do with this case. She has provided all information and she has no role to play in this money laundering case linked to conman Sukesh and Jacqueline Fernandez.